Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be installing, styling, and of course slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. Now sun's out, buns out. We are definitely in the heat of spring. It's been very nice weather here in Los Angeles. I know that in other locations they've been having a little bit of rain and bad weather, but here it's feeling like every bit of spring and a little bit of summer as well. Last weekend it was like 100. So I've just had the urge to do this look. You guys have seen me do this look many times on this channel, and I just woke up today and I just wanted like the French braids with the curly hair with the extra baby hair, and I think I executed it well. If you're someone who does not like baby hair, just skip that step. You don't have to trim anything. You can just use the wax or use, and you can kind of just really smooth the hairline to go like backwards or in the direction you want. And yeah, even for me, now that I've done this baby hair, if I want to have a no baby hair look, I can still use like my edge control, or more importantly my wax, and kind of like push it back and still be able to give a sleek no baby hair realness. So this is versatile. I'm not stuck with the baby hair per se. The mousse that I used gave a really beautiful definition and hold. That one came from my line bedeck.com. You'll find all those details, of course, and also a link to this wig in the description box as well. And without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all the latest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's so.
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. Yes, I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Slide in the bed like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like echo, everything I do they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man, my drip too wet, that spit can. Yo bitch swap me like Q-tips, hold that shit there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb, hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick lick, broad tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare. No TikTok for that caca, they know that love don't live there. I can't roll dice on your plan, Red Rover, I don't hold hands. Get fortune from my foresight, investment brought me 4 bands. Don't roll rage, I get roll head. We'll wheel all by your forehead. Them city John be like he lit, them country girls be like go ahead. If I ain't that man, then I gotta be more than human. How you mean? Funny how the people back then who was hating on the kid always talking about how you clean. Put a little gas in the blunt and I don't pass broke ass nigga, just please be cool. But I can't blame ya, I won't shame ya. Shit, I probably wanna be me too. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do.
Had to step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my
Same little nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go when my whip go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly, do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimping penny shit, popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the mini hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up, a super saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I. Top tier, top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now.
Show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I
bucks, we are officially done with this look. Now I am absolutely pleased with how this came out. I was actually planning on doing another tutorial today because I have somewhere to be tomorrow and I wanted to do something fun as far as hairstyles go. And then I was like, no, I've been craving this look with the braids. The two braids, the French braids, the lace, the extra baby hair. This gives Miami vibes, vacation vibes, fly me out vibes. This gives going to the Bahamas, Jamaica. This is that like perfect hairstyle if you are going somewhere that's going to be hot. Now, of course, I'm not going anywhere. My mom, where we're going to go. My son has school. So this is just going to be a fun hairstyle for me to, you know, rock around town for the week. I did baby hair and I did go crazy with the baby hair, but again, this is just a look that like was in my head that like I really wanted to do. I really wanted the two French braids with a good amount of baby hair in the front. But if you're someone who doesn't like baby hair, as I always say, always just keep in mind that you can skip this step. You kind of seen what the hairline looked like before I started the baby hair, and you already know that like if you want to pluck it, tweeze it, make it more natural, you can always do that. If you want to tint the lace before the hand, all those options are there. This is like me showing you the who, what, where, what, when, why about this hair and just how it performs. And you can kind of just go in and customize and just do different things to make it your look and not necessarily follow what I do step by step, but just kind of use it as inspo and kind of just go from there. This one did come from Kisslove, and this is the bag that the wig came in. It does have their logo on it, super nice, and it's like a drawstring, like a dust bag, a satin bag. Inside we do have tons of goodies. Now my kids be going through my stuff, but as you guys can see, we have tons of stuff here. So this is pretty cool. We have some, you know, 3D blink lashes, dolphin clip. We have a nice hot pink edge brush, wig caps, and then in this bag here we also have some more stuff. We have purple hair clips, a pack of those. They gave us an extra pack of lashes, so we got 2 packs. And then a cute little scarf that's like cow print, a little bit of a tan, ivory moment going with a little bit of blue and a little bit of brown. Can definitely be a vibe, and all that stuff is in this mesh bag. There were actually 2 dolphin clips. This is the other. And then, again, my kids be in my stuff. They be all in my business. I'm not sure if this gift came with this package or another one. I found it next to this package and I was like, I think this is from Kisslove, and it is so cute. First of all, it's like a little tin can. Looks like a little heart gift container. And it says, I love you, from the bottom of my heart, and a little message right here. Very, very, very cute and vibey. And then it's like some faux roses in there. This here is just super cute. And then inside there was a beautiful, I believe this is like a rose gold necklace. Super dainty and cute. I don't have a whole lot of rose gold jewelry, so it's nice to add like a rose gold little costume piece to my collection. Absolutely adorable. Again, I'm not quite sure. I'll double check with the company, see if this came from them. If not, sorry. If it did, yeah, probably was a part of like their Valentine's Day, you know, promo, but I just thought it was cute and I would share it. Now, as far as the hair, as I said before, I really didn't have any complaints. One thing I did do was I did use the mousse from my company. I'll have it linked in the description box, but you guys can see the definition and the it gave a really beautiful definition, and then it also gave shine. You guys know my mousse is a hold and shine mousse. I'm sorry, this piece of hair when you turn to the side is sticking out a little bit. It's bugging me. But you guys know my mousse is a hold and shine mousse. So what that means for me and you is that if you purchase this one, it does give a little bit of a nice little firmness to it. And I love that for me. I feel like it pairs well with like cream, conditioners, leave-ins, water. And it just gives me exactly what I want and need. But if you don't want to hold, then I would recommend another mousse. I would recommend, I'll have one in the description box that I will want to, or that I will recommend if you just want more so fluffy curls. If you are intimidated by this look, don't be. This is actually, it's very easy. It's a lot easier to accomplish than it seems. I know it's intimidating for me when I first like saw this, you know, hairstyle on a lace wig over social media. So yeah, be sure to check out the description box. I'll have a link to this wig down below with all of the details. You can find length, density, and all of that there. Also, list and links of everything I used to complete this look will be there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!